Have you ever wondered what actually makes your engine start when you turn the key or press the start button? That powerful first spin comes from one small but crucial component, the starter motor. In this video, we'll explain what a starter motor is, how it works, its function in your car, and the key components inside it. A starter motor is an electric motor that turns the engine over so it can begin the combustion process. Since an engine cannot start on its own, the starter motor provides the initial mechanical energy needed to get the crankshaft moving. When you turn the ignition key or press the start button, electrical current flows from the battery to the starter solenoid. The solenoid pushes the starter gear forward to engage with the engine's flywheel. Once engaged, the starter motor spins the flywheel, turning the crankshaft. As soon as the engine starts running on its own, the starter disengages. The armature is the rotating core of the starter motor. It converts electrical energy into mechanical motion. Field coils. These create a magnetic field that allows the armature to spin with high torque. The solenoid acts as an electrical switch and mechanical actuator, engaging the starter gear with the flywheel. Pinion gear. This small gear connects the starter motor to the engine's flywheel during starting. Brushes transfer electrical current to the rotating armature, allowing continuous motion. Why is the starter motor so important? The answer is simple. Without a working starter motor, your engine simply won't start. Common starter problems can cause clicking sounds, slow cranking, or complete no-start conditions. Now you understand the starter motor, not just the noise it makes, but how it works. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and follow the Automotive for more clear car knowledge.